Alright guys, you're welcome back. Now we started a journey. Let's just continue. In this particular tutorial we're talking about the Glamour tool. Glamour glow function. So come here, you can see the Glamour glow. We have two options. This is the menu adjustment, gives us three tools: glow, saturation and warmth. Now the glow works in each. Once you increase the glow in 100%, you will reduce the details. You can see the details in this image are no longer showing. And I just reduce all. I just tapped on the screen and moved my hand towards the end and moved the left and the right. Now we're doing before. Okay, so that's not working because if you see it, like the details in the image we just removed, and it had a bit of saturation to it, but you won't want to like this when you even use it in close-up pictures, like images. Like let's use this man's picture. Okay, let's come to Glamour glow. Now note before and after. This is before, how it was before. Let me zoom the man's face. So when I increase the glow, you can see it actually smoothing the man's picture but reduce the details of the image. So I don't really like this tool. Let me just pick in some that has to do with nature. Okay, let's make use of this one, Glamour glow. Then you can see, okay, I just thought of one way I can use this now. I just use this. Maybe I want to do a design, I can use it just to work on my background because I want to keep some of the details, but just not want to reduce the opacity of the image. Okay, so now come to my menu adjustments. So this, for the saturation, I can increase the saturation, okay, or you reduce it. Alright, so this is, and it can come to warmth. You can reduce it completely. In the other video I told you before that when you reduce warmth, it gives you blue, and increase it gives you orange. Increase it gives you shades of orange. So now this other one here is different styles. Now if you look, if I click this one, you see, okay, maybe I'll give you this two. When I come to this menu adjustment, it's giving me a preset of glow plus 50, saturation and warmth are 0. When I click on this one, look at it, it's giving me glow 100, saturation and warmth are 0. Let me just skip to 5. You can see it's giving me glow 57, saturation minus 33, warmth plus 55, 58. So this is giving me a different option. So if you don't know how to use this tool, maybe you want to use it for image. Now I would strongly recommend you use this for a close-up image. You can just use it for, probably regardless of how you want to use it. You may use it for example, let me pick in this one. I haven't used this image since I started this tutorial. So if I reduced this Glamour glow, you can see it's not actually good for this close-up image. To be very good if you're using like the background, working on the background. Now if I increase the saturation, all the details, the colors of every element is going to come out, and increase the warmth. Okay, so let me just keep the glow in this way. Okay, so I can just say, if you can see, I just added a bit of beauty to it using Glamour glow. Before and after, the saturation is too much. I can just come here and not here, and just reduce a bit before and after. Well, you can just manage it this way. So I guess that's everything I have to share with you for this particular video. We see in the next one.